I'd like to welcome everybody to CKJ Crypto News, Bank of International Settlements. Just came out with a new article today. Very interesting one, actually. Call for papers. BIS, Bank of England, European Central Bank, and IMF welcome papers for joint workshop policies to harness global financial interconnectedness. To harness global financial interconnectedness. And I'm going to show you guys that pretty much these entities are naming, you can tie to Ripple easily. Whatever rock you flip over, Ripple will be there, that's for sure. So pretty much, guys, policies to harness global financial interconnectedness. Joint BIS, Bank of England, Ripple partner. BIS ties to Ripple. European Central Bank and IMF ties to Ripple. Policies to harness global financial interconnectedness. The BIS Brazil, the 25th of April 2019. The Bank of International Settlements, the European Central Bank, and the Bank of England and an International Monetary Fund are pleased to announce a call for papers for their joint workshop on policies to harness global financial interconnectedness. So, guys, to create policies to harness global financial interconnectedness, I wonder who's working with most of these entities. I will show you right now. Now, policies to harness global financial interconnectedness. Bank of England, Ripple partner. IMF, Ripple partner. We got an inside man, a couple inside guys here at the Bank of International Settlements. So I'll show you that. The last few decades have seen a rapid evolution of financial markets and an ever-increasing complexity of cross-country economic and financial interdependencies, the resulting a high degree of real and financial sector interconnectedness. So then if you go to this right here, guys, like you said, Bank of England right here, Bank of England governor shines spotlight on Ripple and XRP and the future of money. Now, we talked about this right here, guys. Now, Bank of England is a Ripple partner. Money is evolving, and so is the way we pay for financial services. We want banknotes will remain a central form of payments for some time. A user said, how does the Bank of England view the increased utility of digital assets, the use of XRP through RippleNet as bridging an asset for cross-border payments? In response, Carney, now this is the Bank of England's Governor Mark Carney, said there was an existing partnership to set up with Ripple in 2017, helping the financial institutions explore their options for digital assets. Whoa, distributed ledger, machine learning, and other concepts. So Carney continued talking about proof of concept, real-time payments. Carney discussion was meant to be the collaboration. So he's talking about the collaboration between Ripple and the Bank of England. But what I'm here to tell you guys is Mark Carney is also on the board of directors at the Bank of International Settlements. So that right there ties the Bank of England to Ripple, and also ties Ripple to the BIS through Mark Carney, speaking highly of Ripple. But guess who else is on this, guys? Jerome Powell, right here, Washington. Jerome Powell sits on the Fed at the Federal Reserve. He's also on the Faster Payments Task Force. If you look up this right here, Faster Payments Task Force, Ryan Zagone, Jerome Powell, Governor of the Federal Reserve Board and Chair, Ryan Zagone, Ripple Labs. Jerome Powell announced to be the next head of Fed Reserve. Ryan Zagone and Jerome work together. Faster Payments Task Force, Mass Adoption 2020, of course. So that's pretty interesting, guys. Pretty much that they're calling for welcome papers for joint workshop on policies to harness global financial interconnectedness. So basically, all the institutions are calling out here. Bank of England, Ripple Connection, European Central Bank. You can go on Ripple Insights. They reference this, but it doesn't say there's a partnership. But there's a unnamed source. So I didn't want to pull that article up. But then the IMF right here, guys. IMF Managing Director welcomes the establishment of the high-level advisory on fintech. And who do we got? Chris Larson, Executive Chairman at Ripple, on the high-level advisory board. And guys, we also know that Ryan Zagone is also on a high-level advisory board. So guys, no matter how you look at it, all big name institutions, guys, you can connect them to Ripple, and that's why I'm so excited about the future, and I'm excited about XRP. So it looks like they're going to harness global financial interconnectedness. I wonder who they're going to recommend. I wonder what Mark Carney's going to recommend. I wonder what Jerome Powell's going to recommend. I wonder who the Bank of England's already working with. Ripple, of course. Come on, guys. Well, anyway, like I said, guys, CKJ is going to start doing these X-Rapid videos throughout the day. Quick 5-minute videos of stuff I find that's significant. Like I said, BIS just tweeted this article 7 hours ago. So anyway, the CKJ coin will pop down right now. Smash that CKJ coin to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when I bring you these very short, fast videos. Get your crypto fix on the go. Much love. Mahalo.